and a complete continuation of the last video, let's see how we can add multipliers. So follow this very carefully, obviously. As always, don't get discouraged by my voice. I may be a kid, but I know quite a lot on this subject. And as you can recall from the last episodes, my lip still hurts from the cut. So, you stop saying so and going a lot. So anyways, just ignore that I'm saying so. Okay, so yeah, just ignore it. Right? Just shh. Create multiply. So okay, right. b1.onClick equals function. This will give you 1 gold every time you click it. So what we could say is we could create a new variable like multiply. I think that's how you spell it. I'm not sure, and we can give it a 1. Then we could just add here. Where's the? There it is. Times multiply. This is fairly simple. You know what it does. So 1 times 1 is 1, and then you could say that. So we could create a little counter. So we could call it times clicked equals 0. Obviously to start out with 0, and we could say global and then times clicked and multiply. I know there's probably different ways to do it. That's probably a lot easier, but that's just the way I do it. Deal with it. So what we can say is also give it a times clicked plus equals 1, and then we could say if times clicked is equal to 5, then multiply plus equals 1. So it would say 1 times 2. It would just give us 2 gold a click, and then we can run it and test it out to see if it works. 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2, and you know so on. Except it's only going up in intervals of 2 because we forgot to reset it back to 0. So what you could do if you wanted to never mind. So set it back to times clicked equals 0, and then click. Should get 2. Now should get 3. Yep, and 4 and 5 and 6 and so on. So that works. So if you want to make it harder, then by all means go ahead. I'll see if I can think of a way to do it real quick. I probably can, but it's going to take me about 5 minutes, so give me a moment. So what we could say is, you know, like we could say over here, if equal is times clicked value, and we could say, I know it's not a thing. Calm down, right? Jesus Christ. Put it on here, equals 0. Yeah. I think, yeah. And quickly put it in there. If so default value will be 5 then. If it's equal to 5, then we do that. And then we could say times clicked value plus equals multiply times 2. Why not? Just make it much harder, like a lot harder. So let's test 1 5 2, and then obviously so on. Now we're getting 3 6 9. See when we start getting 5, the 4. There we go. Still getting 4, still getting 4. Now we're getting 5. See, so it's much harder than last time by a lot. So each time you click, it'll get harder and harder. So that is a basic clicker game to get money. If I bring out another episode, it'll be just building on it, so you can probably skip it if you want. But it will be building on it, which means more code, more learning, more goodness. Thank you for watching this one. I know this one was short, but you know, why not? So yeah, see ya.